Pressa. Pressa. Mira. Pressa. Tranquila. Oye, tranquila. Força. Força, brinca. Força, brinca. Cacau. Vamos. Vamos. Fresa, vamos. Fresa, tranquilo. Vamos. Oh, that's dope. I'm gonna take a photo of that real quick, people. That's dope. So I know some people requested that I talk in these videos. I don't really know what to talk about most of the time. Most of the time I'm out like walking on streets and stuff, so I find it weird to talk to the camera or something, but I guess I shouldn't care what anyone thinks. Isn't that right, Fressa? But anyways, this place is really beautiful. I was here earlier this morning. I got here like 9:45 a.m. and drove 8 hours from Denver, which I left at like 11 p.m. something like that. I guess it's more than 8 hours, but that's when I left. And yeah, I left the park, went and got some food. If you do come here, there isn't many food choices. And I went started driving towards Las Cruces, a little city, and there's like a Domino's like 40 minutes from here. It's in a gas station, FYI. That's the, if I would have taken a left out of the park and went back towards Alamogordo, there may have been some food there, but I don't know. I didn't do that. So, Fressa. But sorry if it's really windy, everyone. If it's windy, just mute it. But it is a windy place. Comes with the territory. Wow, so cool. Damn. Some good photos right there. I'm gonna take some more, if you don't mind. So, take some with a wide angle. a dog with you, there might just be a little bit more sand. My plan's to be out here till sunset. Get some sunset photos. I might go back to the car and wait a little bit after this little trip, but maybe scout out a spot that I want to take some photos of. Sunset's near the closing time. The park closes at 6. I don't know if that's all the time or if it's just like this whole COVID thing, but that is what it is right now, 6. I think the sunset's probably like 5:30, something like that. Not quite sure. Should probably look that up, but based off of the sun, probably like 3 more hours. It's 2 something right now, maybe 3. So over here looks like a good spot for some sunset photos. Relatively untouched. If you've been here before, drop a comment and tag your IG or something. I'd love to see some other people's photos that they've gotten from here. But oh yeah, what I was gonna say earlier is the whole COVID aspect of this. Seems like the park hours are as per usual. Pressa, come on, venga. Seems like the park hours as per usual, but I'm here on a Saturday. There's a pretty good amount of people, but I don't think anything out of the ordinary. Dude, you gotta stop. Pressa, siéntate. Siéntate. Pressa. Pressa. Mírame. Siéntate. Siéntate. Alright guys. Long enough. You get the idea. Sand, dunes. It's white. It's like 80 degrees. November. Yeah, that's about it. Also, I think the road, you probably can't hear me that well because it's so windy, so I'm just gonna stop it here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Pressa, Pressa.